example, and what is said in this example: consider the following rough model of a beryllium atom. The nucleus has 4 protons and 4 neutrons. So that's the nucleus, in which 1, 2, 3, 4 protons are present, and 1, 2, 3, 4 neutrons are present. So the charge here is plus 4e neutron, they don't have any charge, and its radius is also given 10 raised to minus 15 meter. The two 1s electrons make a spherical cloud. So here these are the two 1s electrons which are present here, and they are forming a spherical cloud around this, and the distance is also given to us, 1.3 10 raised to minus 11 meter. From the nucleus, where 2s electron, here this is the cloud of 2s electron, like this. These are the 2s electrons, 2 electrons, and their radius is also given to us. Find the electric field at a point just inside the 1s cloud. So we need to find electric field just inside here at this point. So according to Gauss theorem, the electric field at this point will be equal to K into total charge enclosed by the Gaussian sphere upon square of the distance. K is 9 into 10 to the power 9, and just inside the cloud the charge enclosed is 4e, and divided by the distance, which is radius of the 1s cloud, 1.3 10 to the power minus 11 the whole square. So it will be 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 4 into 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 divided by square of 13 will be 1.69 into 10 to the power minus 22. So electric field at point P. On calculating, we can easily find this by, so I can say 9 4s. So 9 4s would be 36. Okay, so 9 into 4 into 1.6 divided by 1.69. So this complete division comes out to be 34.08 into the powers of 10. So this is 9 and this is 19, so that comes out to be minus 10. This is minus 22, so it becomes plus 12. So plus 12 Newton per Coulomb. So that would be the answer to the first part of this question. Okay, now let's see. In the B part, we need to find electric field at a point just inside the second cloud. So no problem. So it will be equal to, again, K total charge enclosed upon R square. So K is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into total charge enclosed will be 4 protons in the nucleus and 2 electrons of the 1s orbit upon R square. So distance will be 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 11 the whole square. And now 4e minus 2e will be 2e. 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into e, 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 divided by 5.2 square into 10 raised to minus 22 after squaring. So the electric field at point Q, on solving you will get the electric field at point Q as 1.1 into 10 to the power 12 Newton per Coulomb, and that's the answer to this question. Thank you.